$1 million on wheels, but what if your dream RV becomes your biggest regret? Before you spend a fortune chasing freedom, you need to see this. It's the $1 million luxury showdown, the 2026 Mazda Motorhome versus the 2026 Volvo Motorhome. Mazda's all sleek, futuristic, and tech-packed, Volvo. The rugged off-grid beast built to conquer anything. But out here, it's not the chrome that counts, it's how it survives the miles. One promises comfort, the other confidence. Only one delivers true luxury, the other might just leave you stranded with regret. Stick around, because by the end, you'll know exactly which one really earns the $1 million crown. When you first lay eyes on the 2026 Mazda Motorhome, it's hard not to stare. Every curve looks sculpted by wind itself, sleek, fluid, aerodynamic. It's less RV, more luxury concept car built for adventure. The gloss finish, flush LED panels, and active air channels whisper one thing: futuristic precision. And then there's Volvo, the complete opposite. Boxier, bolder, unapologetically muscular. It doesn't try to impress with shine, it impresses with presence. Thick body lines, matte steel edges, you can almost feel the grit just looking at it. It's built to shrug off dust, rain, and time itself. But beauty fades fast when nature strikes, so ask yourself, would you rather turn heads at the marina, or command respect in the mountains? Because out here, it's not about who looks good parked, it's about who still looks powerful after 1,000 rugged miles. Step inside the 2026 Mazda Motorhome, and it instantly feels like stepping into the future. The cabin flows like a luxury lounge, soft lighting, curved glass, and a minimalist design that makes you forget you're in a motorhome. Everything feels intentional, from the heated recliners that mold to your posture, to the panoramic roof that floods the cabin with daylight. It's serenity on wheels. But then you climb into the Volvo, and the mood changes. It's raw, grounded, and built for travelers who crave control. The materials feel tougher, more real, brushed aluminum, natural wood, and that unmistakable Scandinavian warmth. It's less, look at me, more, let's go anywhere. But here's the real question: when you're parked 100 miles from nowhere, what matters more, the glow of luxury, or the feel of home? Because one is built to impress, and the other, to outlast. Under the hood, both of these machines promise next-level intelligence, but they go about it in totally different ways. Mazda's approach feels almost sci-fi. Its hybrid system learns how you drive, constantly adjusting power and efficiency on its own. The cockpit is packed with smart glass, voice controls, and an AI assistant that can dim lights, check tire pressure, or even brew your coffee before sunrise. It's tech designed to spoil you. But Volvo? It's built to protect you. Think reinforced frame, terrain sensing suspension, and a power system that can run entirely off-grid for days. Its control panel looks more like a pilot's deck, no distractions, just purpose. One gives you comfort through convenience, the other through confidence. And here's the twist: the more you use Mazda's automation, the more it feels like it's driving for you. The more you drive Volvo, the more connected you feel to it. So which matters more, effortless luxury, or control in your hands? Because at this level, the difference isn't just technology, it's identity. So, after all the shine, power, and promises, which one truly earns the $1 million crown? The 2026 Mazda Motorhome feels like the future right now. Sleek, intelligent, effortless. It's for those who want the road to adapt around them, where every mile feels curated, every detail automated. But the Volvo? That's for the ones who live for the challenge. It's confidence on wheels, raw, dependable, and built for people who see the map as a suggestion, not a rule. Mazda gives you luxury you can touch. Volvo gives you strength you can trust. And maybe that's what this battle really comes down to. Do you want a motorhome that pampers you, or one that empowers you? Because out here, comfort fades, batteries drain, and roads get ugly, but the right machine? It makes you unstoppable. So, which would you choose? the tech-driven dream, or the timeless beast?